Here's the part nobody tells you. It's the only honest solution. Have you ever hesitated to wave at someone because your saggy arms they jiggled with a mind of their own? Or found yourself hiding under sleeves even in summer because of that stubborn loose skin that just doesn't budge? You're not alone. Sagging arms, they aren't just a cosmetic concern, they can quietly eat away at your confidence, making you feel older or out of shape even when you're not. Hi, I'm Dr. Priya Bansal, a board certified plastic surgeon, and today we're going to talk about something that helps lift not just your arms but your self esteem. Arm lift surgery, which is also known as brachioplasty. Now, age, weight loss, or genetics, it can cause the skin and the underlying tissue in your upper arms to lose elasticity. And while toning workouts, they help with the muscle definition, no amount of gym time can tighten the stretched skin. And that's where arm lift surgery comes in. It reshapes your upper arm by removing the excess fat and the excess skin to restore proportion, definition, and balance. Now, arm lift surgery, it is performed under general anesthesia and it usually takes around 1 to 3 hours depending on the procedure. So first of all, liposuction is done to remove the extra stubborn fat through small incisions near the elbow or in the axilla. Then comes the skin tightening, where the loose hanging skin is excised and lifted to reshape the arm. So the incision, it can lie along the underarm in the axillary crease, or it can extend from the elbow to the underarm so that it stays discreet. Now this can be a daycare procedure or you might have to stay overnight depending on the extent of the incision and the extent of the procedure. Swelling reduces gradually and the final toned contour, it becomes visible within a span of few months. Everyone says you can tone loose skin. Let's be honest, you cannot. You cannot lift collagen with a dumbbell, and no amount of clean eating or tricep dips, it will reverse the stretched skin. Here's the part nobody tells you. Sometimes surgery isn't a last resort, it's the only honest solution. You can return to normal activities from the next day onwards, but it is crucial to wear compression garment for 4 to 6 weeks to minimize swelling and for proper reshaping. Avoid cardio for 1 week to give rest to your body. Strength training can start for the lower body, but for the upper body, especially for the arms, shoulders, you have to wait for at least 6 weeks or until your surgeon clears you. If you've lost a lot of weight, notice your arm losing firmness with age, or simply feel your outer appearance doesn't reflect your energy, this surgery might be right for you. An arm lift doesn't just remove extra skin, it removes the hesitation that's been holding you back. If you've lost a lot of weight, notice your arms losing firmness with age, or simply feel your outer appearance, it doesn't reflect your energy, this surgery, it might be the right choice for you. An arm lift, it doesn't just remove extra skin, it removes the hesitation that has been holding you back. Because at the end of the day, self-assurance is the most beautiful thing you can wear.